Good morning, my dear students. Today is Monday. That is the first class of the week. The hafta siki and class for doing, and today is that 9. Agas kita ngapain option ngere nadra. Today is that 9 of August 2021. Ini minaba kita korang ba? Sige mina. Today is Monday. In the last class we have already done up to question number anybody can say me like to na papa ka unda le ma haibra khanga baning sangbra kabu tawrage ka question ani kita ngai grabani ka only we are left with two questions question ani kita ngai grabani kai ki question on the last two questions ni ka now discussion tawge to matam da kitang sang tore haidna to ki bani ka that will be question number kya neba okay 10 and 11 ka 10 and 11 ni ka sedune ngo question number 10 siang siang ka Maratana class housing the Keno Mahai going ka. Homework Sormatamda Yam Tengba after Krayawika. Why it's better to be let than never nine above the Yawi. Tenga Sutena, Tangto was in the Faika. And other than Nayanga, Tenga Sutena, Samitoro, Kasukai Deka. And Darvaisa, Adubu Pond the second to Vanina. And I get the Dicano Yam the Amalakano. Happy DPS tadi ni panga subi ka mga tarko suba yawi and otherwise itong kada di phone di yang banina kitang program level ay ka ato na satra amang GPS amani kitang thara gati koi to sunungai yang bada ka ato na kitang matam sana tau basina party test ni ato torok pasi yam na fai ato faura ka su ke dora in joining ido and otherwise matam sana submit tau basina fai ka ato na yang Question number 10 siang yang tarba question number 10 atang panaro yang kaya ano understand tong number yang naraba question number 10 ureka kaya now in a triangle triangle mane ma p second triangle now PQR right angle at Q right angle the Q right angle the right angle kai do riba Q the way by ka PR plus QR equal to 25 and the PQ is equal to 5 determine the value of sin P cos P and tan P chenga sidaina tawdu je kaina I only finding only the side sin the puthoke ka to sai putho matun na kai do re sin P puthokpa Q the cos Q puthokpa tan P puthokpa hara ma bo hara adu dina koi gi saru oisi ka Only thing is that what I'm going to do is that I have to find only the length of the side of the triangle. So the name exercise 8.1 question number 10. So let me draw the figure. PQR Q the right angle ne hai ne enter ka adu ka yang given the man P se carry now in a triangle PQR right angle at kaida Q the do ke P di ba PR plus QR will be equal to 25 and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So हम इसमें करना दो sin P cos P and tan P. Ada ka? Ano na yun? Kamay na putok isiki yung ka. So PQ is 5. This will be 5 centimeter. And then once we know value of these two sides, then we'll be able to find sin P, cos P, tan P. First, we need to understand what are the length of the side. Side home is put side home in right triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Sinatra, dari nasing sinjalo yang PR ay kangre, PQ kangbra kange. This is 5 centimeter. QR kangbra kangdeka. You have to write it as it is. Then taraba. Then the running sa isona pusala PR square minus QR square will be equal to 5 square is 25 centimeter square. Second dareka. This is the formula of A square minus B square. So therefore it will be equal to PR QR whole bracket PR plus QR. This will be equal to 25 centimeter square. And but in the question what you have? But PR plus QR is equal to 25 and P bra. PR plus QR se kanana sin bayare 25 na sin bayare ka. Therefore then PR minus QR all bracket into 25 centimeter. This will be equal to by 25 centimeter square. So 25 is long draw. The PR minus QR will be equal to 25 centimeter square by 25 centimeter. So therefore PR minus QR will be equal to how much? 1 centimeter. Let's name it as question number 1 and this is question number 2. And first we are using the concept of Pythagoras theorem. Biki kangika. Second tarika. Sida Pythagoras theorem season here what are you using? A square minus B square is equal to A plus B whole bracket A minus B. This concept. See formula because the season that is here. Sidagi A sina A laure sina B laure ka. The A square minus B square taraba. Utadi A minus B A plus B leraba. Utadi A plus B se mana question the period to matungina 25 na mana here. This is replaced with 25. 25 na sila ka. Sila matunda ke daure. This has to be transferred to the other side. Adu kamay to lani by cross multiplication lani natra. The 25 by 25 is 1 centimeter square by centimeter. It will be centimeter. Clear? Okay, see one sila. Okay, then now we have two equations. Equation we will be able to find the remaining two sides. From here, linear equation in two variable tareka. Then therefore adding equation number 1 and the 2. Equation 1 is PR plus QR is equal plus PR minus QR. So na kana lani se 25 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So therefore, you remove the bracket. Bracket automatically लगेगा PR plus QR plus PR minus QR. 25 plus 1 is 26 centimeter. Clear? Then QR get cancelled. PR plus that will be twice PR equal to 26 centimeter. So PR will be equal to how much? 26 by 2 centimeter. Therefore PR will be 26 minus 3 will be how much? This is 13 centimeter. And then now we have the values of PR. PR is how much? 13 centimeter. Clear? Now what is remaining? K wali ozi QR wali ka. Aduna QR kita putting PR equal to 13 centimeter in equation number 1. Equation number 1 the hapsalo. Equation 1 the lagi to kanano. PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter. PR say kanana sindeba 13 silani. Then QR will be equal to 25 centimeter minus 13 centimeter. And then ka, ato di kay laye nga 25 minus 13 is how much? 12. Ka, so kung bari bindiyayam na hibini ka, ay kung pwede QR equal to kaya laye ba sa 12 centimeter. So again, now we have all the three sides. Side of Malona lay natra. The side of Malaytagati, Kedora Man hangba sign people hang boiro, post people hang boiro, running a moidra. Namanika, Adenga, si Hotopina can say, oh, you come up with a Torrica, and a sign P, cos P, 10 P. Then sign of angle P. Sign of angle P di kari have a coina opposite by kanano hypotenuse. So opposite to the angle P is which one? QR. So the QR divided by hypotenuse is PR. So QR equal to 12 centimeter. PR is how much? 13 centimeter. So 12 centimeter get cancelled. So what is remaining? 12 upon 13. See Areka. Next what we have? Cos of angle P. Cos P is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is to the angle P is PQ. Therefore PQ by PR, so PQ is 5 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter, so it get cancelled. So what is the answer? 5 by 13. Next what you have? Tan of angle P. Tan of angle P is opposite by adjacent. So opposite to the angle P is QR, adjacent is PQ, therefore QR is 12 centimeter, adjacent is 5 centimeter, therefore what is the answer? 12 by 5. Clear? Yan lekas ka? Angatra? Angatra si pagyan tahore ka? Okay, note it down. Yan lekas? Okay, then last questions. Last question is true or false. True or false will be maram higher the boka. You read the last question, question number 11. Nibitita paro question number 11 kaya na Valentina question number 11 para po. Pareka, kaya nga state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Haika. Value of 10. A is always less than 1. Haika. value of tan of angle A is always less than 1. Chidi lan gani ka. Kaigino ay matamda trigonometric ratios putok matamda answer si kai bu lay gani 0 dagi hauraga 1 boki marak ta lay gada buka adu 1 ka mana ba su yai ba. Yan dadra kangani ka aduduna aikhoina khangada bu si kanano any trigonometric ratios ta kaidore haba tan of angle A se natragana any trigonometric ratio gi matam pro tagan se kaidore 0 dagi hauraga kai bu lay gadoi ba 1 bu lay gada bu ne haba ka aduduna question number 11 gi Roman number 1. It is calculated by false because every trigonometric ratios is between so the coin along with a positive vinegar so the coin okay dore se 0 and 1 and also it can be equal to either 0 and 1. 0 ka 1 ka sumana ba yai yan tar ba hey ko isa yan tar ba si ba sorry false true ay gata less than happen na tra sumin hai this will be true yan tar ba si ma. Then number 2 the sec A for some values of angle A. Number 2 sec of angle A is 12 by 5. Dengo sec ko ne kari hai hypotenuse by kay hai ba dengo we knew that sec of angle A will be hypotenuse by kanano se adjacent. Duna kai word is 12 by 25 12 by 5 lagadi si hypotenuse में तंत्र तो सावनी hydra. Therefore duna kai dore it is true. The 5 by 12 and magiti lando ni ka adu makhanga da ka yan dar ba se. Okay, number 3 the cos A is the abbreviation of cosecant of angle A. So malam ra se de cos A se kana gi na hai ge cosine ni natra and it is false because karine hai ba cos A is the abbreviation for kanagina cosine of angle A. Sinatra number 4 na kanya nga cot A is the product of cot A and cot and the A have any ka la le ko sa it is false. Cot A means it is cotangent of A hai ke tabani ka cot ka A ka product to banate. Last one number 5. So number 5 is what is there? Sin theta equal to 4 by 3 for some angle. Sin theta is 4 by 3 the sign is kay ni have ko na opposite by hypotenuse hydra tadi ngo study kana lai se opposite is 4 hypotenuse is 3 and this chumbalan bre ngo hypotenuse na longer side we get ni hydra study kana na saura se 4 na saudra saura bani na ke daura se what is the answer? It is false. Can that come? Okay, note it down. Finger sinjala yanga. Yan ko siya. Yan tao to ba yaw rin nga? Explanation daw ko da yan tao to ba kangaw to ba yaw rin nga? Janita yara dra. Valentina ni magyara ni. Valentina hizam ne, Valentina yunam ne. Yare ka? Yare basta? Kano mo yung yan, Roman number 1 6 itang correction. Oh sorry. Always na pan mamiyaway ka. Always pwede sila ni ka. Ay kasi always mo uwag re. Always ati matampun na magtamag se kaya wala ba? Matampun ka 0 tagi 1 tagi hanta ka na. May ati 1 ka mana ba siyaw tra na. Natra 1 na hen ba siyaw tra. Sorry. 1 tagi hen ba yaway na tra. Mana matampun na magtahabi na si will be false ka. Si correction kitang tawag ka. Yan na siya. Okay, semua sampel aku ini sinbada, it will be false ka. False kita bani, kita nak ingat saya always tu gua udah ka. Nah always apa yang siapa bani na, it will be false. Ya rekod sih mah, ya rekod tu dia. Okay, dan yang ngasih kita sudah selesai. Atu ka, ayang nak makata ba next kilo kita jika. Atu ka yang trigonometry sigi, syllabus kakta boka. Sudah yau ba syllabus sing tu mak kita tahu sigi. Atu ka yau tapi sing tu di. Ay kanto om ge ka yan tar ba sa complementary matang exercise 8.2 sima yaw ni ka atuga 8.3 gi question khara complementary angle gi sima yaw bre ka atu tuma 8.2 sima muga tawi sika adi pare nga nasi gi tolo chalase yaraba ayang mo mana class thangna sika yare ka today okay then see you all in the next class.